Open the product's outer carton and remove all accessories. Check against the list to confirm no accessories are missing. Remove protective films, parts from the base station. Place the base station in an open area with good Wi-Fi signal. Ensure sufficient clearance space as shown in the diagram. Do not place any other objects within the shaded areas. Securely connect the power cord and plug it in. Ensure the base station indicator light is illuminated. Install the base station ramp extension plate. Remove protective films, strips from the robot. Turn the robot upside down. Attach the mop pads to the brackets. Press and hold the power button on the robot for 3 seconds to turn it on. Place the robot into the base station after powering on. A voice prompt confirming charging indicates a successful connection. Open the robot's flip cover and scan the QR code on the body with your phone. Alternatively, search for the Dreame Home app in your App Store, or Google Play Store. Download and install it. Click Scan to connect. Within the app, scan the QR code on the robot body again to add the device, and follow the in-app prompts to complete the connection. The robot's indicator light will start blinking slowly, indicating it has entered network pairing mode. Before the first cleaning, ensure the robot departs from the base station for safety and smooth operation. Open all doors to areas that need cleaning throughout your home. Move away items that are easily knocked over, fragile, valuable, or potentially hazardous. Clear as much cleaning space as possible. For first-time use, it's recommended to perform fast mapping following the app guidance. The robot will complete a full house map creation in 5 to 10 minutes without performing cleaning. After mapping is complete, you can set up zones based on your home layout. You can also set no-go zones, virtual walls, and edit carpet settings, etc. Start cleaning via the app or by briefly pressing the power button on the robot. The robot will perform floor cleaning following the optimal route planned based on the map. Do not move the base station during the cleaning process. Before using the mopping function for the first time, it's recommended to vacuum all floors at least 3 times for better cleaning results. Remove the mop pad assembly from the robot. Soak the mop pads, wring out excess water. Reattach the pads to the brackets. Install the mop pad assembly back onto the bottom of the robot. Press the latch and remove the water tank. Fill the tank with clean, cold tap water. Reinstall the tank. After the robot completes its cleaning task and returns to the base station, remove the mop pad assembly promptly and wash the mop pads. Follow the steps above to enjoy the convenient cleaning experience brought by your Dreame Robot Vacuum.